Hello there, incremental greetings. I'm Guilhem Palau. Have you ever wondered, in some cases, that the references are giving away the clause selection, the answer? So in this case, now it's only the front. So the nana is a sympathetic sorrow, and so on. But if you're used to look the sneak in the description, in the references, you see pity in the title, and in the comment, the article, and even in the link. In my case, it happens sometimes with Wikipedia, when I only want the description, and that's it. And I may close some in the description, or just the word. And in this case, you're giving away the answer. So if you want to avoid this, one strategic way to do it is by using CSS. And you can encapsulate this with using different templates. So now, for me, this template is called item. It's my default item template. Style, 8 style. So the key here is reference. I'm not seeing now. Table, ignore, highlight, ref text. Okay, that's cool. So what I do is that I created another template, which is a copy of that with the only difference of the CSS. I call it item hidden references. Now, as you can see, it's empty. Well, actually it's not. It's just the same color. So if I click on Ctrl A, select all, I can still see the references. But it's just on purpose, only if I want to. If I click, here's the backside. And there's one small caveat, is that I'm hiding here the links, but I cannot discriminate from here or this part. So all the component is hitting the links. Now it's not the case, but let's pretend that you have a hyperlink here, which will be very common from Wikipedia if you don't remove it. And you want to show it. What will you do? Very easy. Here I have the code, which the key relies here, dot reference, and font tag of class reference, and a tag. The A stands for link, and then just plain and simple link. So if I remove this last one and the comment, now if I refresh, that's the same, but if I click, voila, there are the links, and here will be the links as well if there was one. If you want this, I will leave you this in the description so you can just copy and paste. So if you want this behavior because you have hyperlinks, go for this. If not, just add plain A and nothing at all will be shown. And the key is this, the color, which is transparent, and visibility. This is only, the text align actually doesn't work. This is only when you select. So when I do this, okay, it's Times New Roman and na. That's the only purpose. So I hope this has been useful. It's just a small detail, but it makes a difference in the long run. And you can easily do anytime. So let's see, let's pretend I'm doing incremental reading. It pops up this item, and it's just applying a different template. It's very quick to do. And for whatever reason, I want to undo. So I want to show again the references. It's as easy as toggling the template to item. So Ctrl-Shift-M, item, and here it is again, as easy as that. And the only difference in the template is just that I'm adding this. So that's all for today. I hope that has been helpful for you. And if so, please consider joining my Patreon to support my time investment in this channel. Thank you. Let's go learning. By Kilian Polosalva.